Hello everybody. In this video we will be seeing what is narcissistic number and we will implement this narcissistic number finding using Python language. First of all, what is a narcissistic number? If you read this slide you will be understanding. A number is said to be a narcissistic number if the sum of the digits to the power of total number of digits of that number is equal to the number itself. Then it is called narcissistic number. So it may be confusing, so I will show an example. See, for example, here if the number is 1634, the number of digits in these numbers are 4. 1 2 3 4. There are 4 digits. Total number of digits is 4. So you have to raise the digits to the power of 4. If the total number of digits is 3, you have to raise the digits to the power of 3. Say 1 power 4 plus 6 power 4 plus 3 power 4 plus 4 power 4. If it is equal to the number itself, then we say it is narcissistic number. In case of 153, it is 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153 itself. So this is also a narcissistic number. In case of 5-digit number, you have to raise the digits to the 5. To the power of 5. In case of 10-digit number, you have to raise the power of digits to the power of to the 10. So that is the catch point we have to take care here. I'll show you some list of narcissistic numbers. All these are single digit. Say for example 3 is a narcissistic number. How many digits is present in 3? Only one digit. Okay. So 3 power 1. 3 power 1 is 3. Is equal to 3. That means this is a narcissistic number. So all our single digit numbers are narcissistic. 153, 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153. That's why it is also a narcissistic number. So in this case, this is 5-digit number. So 5 power 5, because the power should be the total number of digits. 5 power 5 plus 4 power 5 plus 7 power 5 plus 4 power 5 plus 8 power 5 is equal to 54,748. That is why this number is narcissistic number. The same way for this number, which is a 10-digit narcissistic number. So the logic goes like this: 4 power 10, 6 raised to the power 10, 7 raised to the power 10. If you do the summation of this way, then I will be getting the same number. That's why this is also a narcissistic number. So we have a list of narcissistic numbers like this: 19-digit number, and we got a 25-digit numbers, 37 digits, and it goes 37 digit, 39 digit. So this number is a 39-digit narcissistic number. So it's a sum of digits raised to the power of total number of digits. Actually, sum of 1 power 39 plus 1 power 39 plus 5 power 39. It goes like this, is equal to this number. So that is why we say it's a narcissistic number. Now we will implement this one using Python language. I'm going to use this Genie editor. So first we are not going to use any strings. This is purely integer based we are going to work on. String functions we are not going to see this one. So first when you are entering a number, we have to find how many digits are present. We are not going to use length function of strings. So as you see, when the user enters, so first we'll ask the user to enter a number, integer. Enter an integer, usually positive. We're not going to check all those things. You just imagine that user enters a valid number. So user enters a number using the function input, and we are converting to an integer. As I told you, we're not going to use a string in this case for study. I'm going to store this in num variable, and we are going to find the number of digits present in this one. Already I have one video released for this finding number of digits present in an integer. So based on that we will be maintaining a count which is initially 0. Then we will use a loop. Through the loop we are using num not equal to 0 and num equal to num 10, cnt is equal to cnt plus 1. So this logic will fetch me, when I just do print of CNT, will fetch me the total number of digits present in any integer what we are passing. Okay. So before doing manipulating things, I'll be taking the backup of num. I just take a BUP, I'll say backup. BUP is the place where I store the num. So here we are corrupting num, because num will become equal to 0 in this case. So this place will print out. This will print total digits present. Let us try and check it out. Say for example, I have this number 343434. It's 6. Total number of digits is 6. So it is perfectly working fine. Now we will write the logic for finding narcissistic number. As per the definition, you see, we have to get the digits and then we have to raise this to the power of number of digits. Okay. So we lost the number. So I'm just going again taking it from the backup. So number will be taken back from the stored backup. Now this is having. Now how to do this? Say for example, if the number, we will use one big number. We will take a 5-digit number, 54748. Say for example, 54748. That's the number. So each digit should be raised to the power of 5 because it's having total number of digits 5. Okay. So we'll be getting one by one from right side. We have to extract the rightmost digit. How will we extract the rightmost digit? Very simple. We just have to take a modulo 10. So num, for that I can just say a reminder. So if you divide the number by 10, so I can just take a last digit equal to num percentile. I will use its arithmetic operator, divide by 10. So here it will just give me the reminder. So numbers is 54748. I divide it by 10. So the quotient is 5474 and the remainder is 8. So the remainder is given. So that's how I'm extracting the remainder. So I'm gonna cube it. Sorry, not a cube it. We have to just raise to the power of 5 because the number of digits is 5. So last digit I extracted should be raised to the total number of digits. It is CNT. Okay. Or I can just rename it to total digits. I just convert this. Replace total digits. This will print total digits. So we are raising it to that. So a double star is equal to power. So I'm putting double star if you see. So last digit I'm extracting. Last digit is 8. 8 is extracted. 8 to the power of 5. That is done. That value is arrived at. But we have to store it, accumulate it. So we are putting sum. Okay. I'm going to use ands, or I can just say sum. Sum equal to sum plus. Can you use it? Okay, or you can just say sum of digits. And so you can just say ands. Initially the answer is going to be 0. So answer initially is going to be 0. Okay. So it's accumulator. I'm going to accumulate the values. First I extracted 8 to the power 5 plus 0 is stored here. Next time what you have to do, I have to extract 4. How to extract 4? Then I have to make the number to 5474. Then I will divide by 10, then I will get the remainder. So we have to reduce the number. You have to cut out the last digit. So num equal to the same way we have done for counting the digits, //10. Then I will be getting the digits, one digit reduced. Rightmost is gone. Now the number is 5474. From this number we have to extract 4. So this will do. Again 4 power 5. It will be accumulated with the previous value stored in ands. Okay. So this is the logic. These three lines are the logic. So we are just going to put this logic in a loop. So what should be the condition of the loop? Let us see. So we are going to make it happen. So first we extracted 8, then we extracted 4 from this number, then number becomes 547. In that we will extract 7, then number will become 54. In that we will extract 4, then number becomes 5. In that we will extract 5, then the number will become 0. Then we have to stop it. So when we have to do the number not equal to 0, then we have to do all these logic. If it becomes equal to 0, then we should not proceed further. We should come out. Now this answer will be the one where the summation of the digits raised to the power of total number of digits is present. Now we have to check whether it's narcissistic or not. We have to check the answer. If the answer where there is a summation is there is equal to number. Where is the number? The number is gone because number is corrupted now. But we have a backup. So we'll check it with a backup. BUP. So if this is so, then we say the number is the number. It is a BP is narcissistic number. Else we're going to print it's not a narcissistic number. Likewise, is not a narcissistic number. So that's it. This is a code. Let us see how this works. So first we are printing the digits. It should be printing 5. Then we can check it out. We will be entering 54748. Okay, so that's the number we are going to give, 54748. So before that we can try y to get the number. We'll just store the num equal to for the development 54748. We're just giving the number is stored in a backup and the total digits is calculated and everything should be fine. In this case it should print here. It's a narcissistic number, it should print. Let us see. BP, I just use BP. Where did I use BP? Line number, it's BUP. Is a narcissistic number. Okay, so it is printing. So let us try with various inputs. So we'll cut it out. We'll get an input from the user. We'll stop this one while printing also. Total number of digits also will stop. There is no need to see this one. We'll try with different numbers. So there's the logic. Okay, there's the logic. After finding total number of digits here, this the logic starts for narcissistic finding. Very simple while loop. So we'll enter one 10-digit number 4679307774. So we'll run this. It's waiting. We'll enter this 467930 774 is a narcissistic number. Okay, you will enter something else. Let us see whether it is narcissistic. Because there is 6 digit, there is only one thing. You will enter something in 6 digit. Nothing else should be there. So this is 6-digit number 737738. It's a narcissistic number as per this data we have. So it is not a narcissistic number. So that's the logic. So first you have to get the input from the user. You take a backup. Then total digits you have to find out based on this logic. Then once you found the logic is working and the total digits you will be using to raise it to the power of digits. So you have to extract the digits. For that you will be doing modulo. The digits are raised to the power of the total digits. Then we are accumulating in the answer variable. And then we are just reducing the number, cutting the number from the right side. Then once the number reaches 0, we are just finishing the loop. Then it is checked for whether it is narcissistic or not with a backup value we stored. So BUP is a backup of the number. Since we are corrupting the number here in two places, we are making it to 0 in the loop. That's why. I hope you got this. Thank you.